Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a La Pavoni. This is one of the older La Pavonis with a 2-switch. You manually control the pressure stat. When it comes up to pressure, that's when it's time to turn it off and turn it to the other one. So it should be all ready to go. This came in with a loose base, and it also had, as you can see, it's up to pressure. We'll turn it down. And like I said, this had a loose base as well as the high limit needed to be reset. Let's see how we did on the repair, how easy we do it. I can feel the water coming into the brew chamber. Actually some very fresh coffee. Might be ground a little fine for this machine, but you never know. Actually not, that looks great. Nice shot there. Let's check the steam. Nice strong steam, nice and dry. Shuts right off. Let's get this right out in front. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.